Hey everybody, this is Vic LaPlaca here with MarineMax Sailandski in San Antonio. Today we are standing here in front of this beautiful metallic reef blue GS22. Beautiful seamless windshield, reef blue tower to complement the gel coat. Just one sharp looking boat here. Paired with a nice boatmate tandem axle trailer. We have the nice charcoal sea deck on the inside. Reef blue interior really just pops, makes this boat a real nice vessel on the water. Optional boarding ladder back here, as you can see. Very easy to use, very easy to stow away. Grab handle, and of course transom seats here complement the rear of the boat very nicely. Let's head on in, making our way here into the boat. Have a nice walkway. The sea deck kind of makes a little walkway for you, that way you don't have to step on any cushions if you're trying to get on the sides of the boat. Nice step down right there. Makes it very easy to get into the boat and exit. This interior is just phenomenal. It really makes the boat pop. We have JL audio throughout the boat. This boat is equipped with the optional bow speakers here. Really projects the sound throughout the boat nicely. 12-volt outlets at numerous points throughout the boat for charging your phone or blowing up those water toys. Over here on the starboard side we have a nice Nautique cooler. Stows away nicely. And on the other side we have the trash can. Nice hidden out of the way. Leaves the center of the boat open. Backrest there that can be removed if need be for extra seating. Or placed into position. That way you have stadium seating. Along with on the port side here, we have the pop-up seat, easy to fold down. Makes for a great spot to watch your rider. More storage space lined with sea deck. We have our onboard charger located in there. This boat is equipped with the Premier sound system, so it does have your JL subwoofer. And then here we have our wind dam. Slides in right here. You'll see that track in there. Makes it for those nice winter days that you want to hit the water, but you want to limit the amount of breeze coming through the cockpit of the boat. So if we have a full boat that day, we'll go ahead and insert the filler cushion there. Adds for a little bit more seating. Fire extinguisher. Focusing our attention here at the helm, another key feature. of these boats is the Nautique race inspired seat. You can see it has nice design and notch out, or if you want to turn sideways. This seat has nice gray accenting along with white stitching and white piping. Another cool feature is this seat does slide forward and swivels. So if you just wanted to stop, hang out, chat with the crew, very easy to do. Turn it back and it locks into place. Here in the glove box section we have a little glass cutout so you can see your phone when it's placed right there, along with all your media ports, aux, USB, and of course your head unit for the killer JL sound system. Up in the bow section, it's much wider than your traditional 210 and 230. Plenty of storage space underneath all the front cushions. Thank you folks for coming on this walkthrough with us. If you have any questions in regard to this boat or any other boat in our inventory, feel free to give me a call. 210-301-2507. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water. Thanks for coming on this walkthrough with me. If you like this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please feel free to give me a call or stop by one of our stores, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.